What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are all the way out here in Alameda in the Bay Area. We at this Euro car meet. So basically, you're gonna see a whole bunch of goddamn European cars and a few sprinkles of like American cars or JDM cars. But anyways, we here, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars that we got around here. It's pretty cool. I decided to come out the house. I was gonna stay in the house like a hermit crab, but now we have some dope cars. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that we do have. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys some of the shit they got here. All right, so we got the whole gang here. The boy Daniel's car, everybody, we all lit. The boy right there, man. So yeah, we all right here, we all lit. They parked at a cool ass location. Like, this is super dope because you guys see all the fucking water down there, which is beautiful. And then we got the ship right there, which is dope. A lot of times we came over here to take photos, if you guys seen my previous videos before. But yeah, so we all lit here, man. We just enjoying a beautiful day. And my baby is finally back, but the motor is still tripping. Got to take care of some things, hopefully tomorrow. But yeah, man, we all here and we lit. So let's go see what Euro cars they got. They got a few Z's here. They got a few things here, but mainly the most of the shit you're gonna see is a lot of European cars. So we're about to see how this is, man. Yee, the boy right there, man. What's up? Damn, this shit's clean. Sheesh. Audi R8.
He did this shit.
They smoked the world.
So fucking really? You see like the engine? Oh my god, I love it. You got a carbon lip.
Damn.
What? He sold it.
Hey, he got the Lamborghini wheels.
Yeah, that's what the fuck?
Yep, so you know what he got. This shit's clean.
You know he has money.
Yes, sir.
This shit is beautiful. Oh, it's the V8 one.
Yeah, you don't notice? You can tell by the back and you can tell by the front bumper. This shit's clean though. This is nice. Alonzo.
Hey, do you want to just park in front of us?
This shit's so nice. Damn. Found that M3, bro. That M3 is hard.
Oh my god, I want this new one.
So they got a lot of cars here. A lot of European cars. You'll see more of these M's everywhere. Audis, BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagens, all different things like that. I love the Z4s, but I would make mine look better than that one. Yeah, so let's see what we got over here, man. Sheesh. Mercedes. Oh, that orange is clean.
Oh, that's nice.
I like that orange. Oh shit, Alfa Romeos.
What's your go-to order?
It's right here. Oh, 4’s, that's a C5, my dumb ass.
I mean, not me. Well, I don't like the pink.
They got some nice shit here. Look at that right here.
They did it? Oh, okay, yeah. I like this white spec.
Yeah, it's dope. I thought you said this one.
Oh, those are hella nice. I think it's not HRE.
And the R8s are super sick.
Yeah, my man can't.
Sheesh. See what they got over here. Some nice stuff. Yeah. I like those rims.
That is beautiful.
Oh yeah, that one's insane. This M lineup is hard. Damn, look at that. These new M's are sick. I like that. The headlights are nice. Damn. I drove the Continental one. I mean the competition one. I driven. They look real good. I like this one. Yeah, those are sick, bro. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie, Zon. It might have to be. I might have to get back to him. And they all come with the carbon hoods, bro. Damn, that shit's nice. Look at these things, man. The backs are hella nice. I like these backs. Alright. That shit's nice. Sheesh. Oh, SPG. I would get this color. Hey, I would get these two colors.
These two.
Or the red that I've never seen. It's like a red orange. That's a special color. Damn. Hey, this shit hard, bro. Damn. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. These new damn. I ain't gonna lie, it might be the M for me too. Cause look at the back of it, bro. The white one like in the front. Oh, I like how he did his. You see the M4, how he got the exhaust, they all close together, the pipes. See how they spread it right here, but if you look straight there, it's like the fucking,
Oh, the quad.
yeah, but they got it close. I want to do shit like that. That's hard. That's clean. Yeah, it definitely, kid, don't come factory. These are like factories.
Which one? That's hard. Yeah, that's a wrap, yeah.
Bro, look at the stock lights, bro. You see the blue? Those
yeah,
are stock.
like your homie. He got those.
They all stock though. Damn, this is clean. Yeah, Zon. Hey, we might have to cop the M's, bro.
This shit's crazy.
One of us get the M4, M3.
I'm gonna get the
I might get an M3. I ain't gonna lie. I could get a big body.
I'll take either one.
I might go. That's the one I drove, the big body one. I'm not driving no homies. I'm deleting the seats. You gonna have to drive your own wire. Yeah, that's what I will do. That shit's crazy. God damn. Is that normal? That shit sounds good. Oh yeah, they good, bro. Damn. That shit sounds hella good.